Hey, hi guys, very good morning. Now moving on to the next question of this recursion series. We have an array, right? Array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, and then we are calling the function fa comma 6, right? So what is A? A is nothing but your name of array. Name of array means what? Name of array means the base address of the 0th element of the array, right? So what we are doing, firstly we are making this array, right? It's 22, 7, 23, 4, 11, 10. Like suppose the base address is 100, 102, 104, 106, 108, 1110, assuming size of integer as 2 byte, right? So this is your A, and you're passing this 100, and that's 100 is storing in this pointer. So your pointer A is pointing at the base address of the string 100, base address of this array 100, and value of n is 6. Fine, right? So we are entering with f100 comma 6, where your 100 is your base address of the array and the 6 is nothing but your number of elements in the array, which is 6 in this case, right? Now if n less than equal to 0, value of n is 6, less than equal to 0, condition is false. Else if star of a modulus 2, since your a is pointing 100, star is 22, 22 modulus 2 is what? 0. So your condition is true, right? So when your condition is true, what you are returning? Returning star of a. Star is 22, right? 22 plus your function a plus 1. Since your a is pointing 100, when you say a plus 1, so a plus 1. Now your a points to 102. So it is 102 comma n minus 1. N value is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, right? So it is now function 102 comma 5. Now you will call this function 102 comma 5. Now when you call this function, your a is now pointing at 102 and value of n is 5. So this condition is false. Again we will check this. If star of a, star is 7, 7 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. So this condition is also false. We will go to this return statement. Return star is, star of this is 7 minus function a plus 1 means now your a plus 1 moves to 104, right? So this is 104 and value is 4 now. Fine so far. Now we will call this function 104 comma 4. Now when you call this function 104 comma 4, your a is pointing at 104, n is 4, so this condition is false. Again you come to the statement. So when what happens? Star is what? 23. 23 minus f a plus 1, 104 plus 1. Now you points to 106. And this becomes your 3. Fine. Now you call 106 comma 3. Star of 106 is what? 4. 4 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Your condition is true, so you return this statement. So when you return this, so this is what? 4 plus f. Now it is 108 comma 2. Right. Now when you call this function 108 comma 2, now your a is pointing at 108. So 108 star is 11. 11 modulus 2 is not equal to 0, right? So we will evaluate this return statement. So star is 11, right? 11 minus function, now it moves to 1110. 1110 and the value of n becomes 1. Fine. Now we will solve this 110 comma 1. See, 110 star is 10. 10 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Condition true. So when condition true, you will evaluate this statement. This is 10 plus fa plus 1. Next address will be 112 comma, this becomes your 0. Now when you evaluate this 112 comma 0, the value of n is 0, n less than equal to 0. Your condition is true, so it returns what? 0. So 10 plus 0 is 10. So 10 gets returned here. 11 minus 10 is 1. 1 gets returned here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 comes here. 23 minus 5 is 18. So 7 minus 18 is what? 7 minus 18, it's minus 11. So minus 11 comes here. 22 minus 11 is 11. And that's your answer. I hope clear, guys. Pretty amazing, pretty simple, and very common question asked in good product based company. And I think it was asked in GIT. So very important. ठीक है, या थोड़ा फोकस करो। अब मुझे लगता है धीरे धीरे शायद ये रिकर्शन जो है तुम्हारे दिमाग में बस रहा होगा यार, बहुत ही प्यारी चीज़ है। ठीक है, जहर क्वेश्चन है सारे, बस थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करने की ज़रूरत है। जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होने लग जाएंगे तुम्हें खुद मज़ा आने लग जाएगा, और फिर तुम धीरे धीरे कोडिंग की तरफ बढ़ सकते हो, कोड करना स्टार्ट कर सकते हो रिकर्शन आने के बाद, राइट। थैंक यू गाइस, टेक केयर, बाय।